Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. There are two ways to power off. First one is using this power off key, okay, this side key, that is power button. Just long press it, and you will have the power off button here. Just press it and your phone will be switched off. Another way is that just go to the notification area, and here you will find the soft key to power off. Just click it and you will have the power off option. Just click power off and again click on power off and your phone will be switched off. So in these two methods you can easily power off or switch off your phone. Yes, now it has been switched off. If you want to switch on, but when you can make sure that your phone is switched off, you will feel how you will feel some vibration. Okay, then you can understand that your phone is switched off. And if you want to switch on, again you have to press this hard key. Okay, to switch on your phone only you have one method. Okay, you cannot use soft key. Just long press this power key and your phone will be switched on. So in this way you can easily switch off or power off your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. And if you rethink that, if you want to turn on, use this power button, and that is side button, that is side key to turn on your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.